Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm gonna be doing some purely cosmetic mod, some little upgrade that actually I was planning to do for quite some time. Well, I always say that, I don't know why. Anyways, I was planning to do it for quite some time, and what I was planning to do is just simple stuff. I want to tint out my tail lights. I just want them to look slightly darker, not to be this bright red, even though they look pretty good as it is. But I wanted to see if how they gonna look when I apply some tint to them. So some time ago I picked up this tint. It's a 48-inch roll. The only reason why I chose this one because it was on sale, so why not? So I'm gonna look quickly how to apply it, but this is pretty easy. All you have to do is just clean the headlights. So I already actually cleaned them with some soapy water, but I just touched them with my hands, so I'm gonna clean it again. Then I'm gonna take this, unroll it, put it on, then with the help of a heat gun gonna try to apply it, cut the edges around, and that should be it. So let me get onto it, prepare, clean it one more time, get some tools, some sharp knife or blade, and yeah, let's work on it. Okay, so I cut off this piece of vinyl. So now I'm gonna peel it off from this white tape and just place it over there and hope I can still align it, and let's see if I can make it work because it's keep curling up, but let's see. Alright, so it's actually already pretty sticky, so I'm gonna place it like that and keep dragging this over. Okay, and not too bad. So now with the help of a heat gun and a squeegee, gonna try to even this all out. Gonna put it on low. Right, so this side is done. Not too happy how it came out. I have some bubbles over here. I was trying to take them out. They still don't come out with a heat gun, with a sponge, with nothing. I don't know. I'm not too good at doing the vinyl, I guess, besides for many other things. So anyways, this is how it looks with a tint on, and this is for comparison how it looks without it. So now I'm gonna work on this side, applying this over here, and then I'm probably gonna redo this side as well. But this is how it looks. I'm just slightly preheating the whole vinyl over here. That way it's gonna apply better and stretch out better, hopefully. And now with the help of a spongy, let's see if I can apply this without having too many bubbles, but for some reason I'm failing horribly at it. Alright guys, both sides are done. Maybe they didn't come out as best as it could be because I did it. I watched a few videos online and it looks so easy, but when you do it, or at least when I do it, I don't know, something is not right. But anyways, it's up, it's there, and I still have plenty of the vinyl left, so I might redo this later, but this is done. There is just a couple little bubbles left here and there, but maybe they're gonna disappear over time. But I really like this new look of the tail lights. I feel like this is much better look than they used to be before. And the lights, they still functional, they still work, you can still see them. So that's pretty cool. Go guys, that was a very quick and easy, well, it's easy for somebody who did it a few times, so know what he's doing. For me it was a little bit, I don't know, I was not able to get all the bubbles out, but that's beside the point. I might get even some hate for doing this. I don't know how people feel about tinted taillights, but I feel like we do to the trucks, to the cars what we like, so everybody isn't free to do what they want, right? As long as it doesn't cause any damage on the road. And the lights are still functional, and I just really like this slightly more darker look to it. So the tail lights, they're not as bright as they used to be before, just a bright red, and I feel this is a little bit more aggressive look for some reason. But anyways, as always, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description to this vinyl that I use. Maybe it's gonna be on sale as well, and if you guys want to check it out as well. And also feel free to leave your comments what you guys use or what you don't use, and how I should have applied this without leaving the bubbles in there. So maybe I'm gonna redo it for next time after I read your comments. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.